I don't know say if I read, but to subscribe to the channel. Taking on a tour on different trees in Jamaica and on the farm in St. Elizabeth. So just look out for it, watch and subscribe. This is a coconut tree. To try this, it's very good. So this is a meringue tree. This is a breadfruit tree. In Jamaica we call it breche. It have a lot of health benefit also. It's good for diabetes and also good for blood pressure. Just make a cup of tea with the leaf and you will see the result. It's very health benefit. We also roast our breadfruit in Jamaica with some nice ackee and saltfish. Cherry tree right here, it make a nice juice. This is called the cherry tree. Jamaican cherry. This is the ackee tree right here. Most people know about Jamaican ackee and saltfish. Nothing cannot beat that. With a cup of lemonade. Plus the roast breadfruit and stuff. This is a star fruit. We call it star fruit in Jamaica. These came into some pod. You have to open the pod and take out some small grains out of it. Tamarind tree right here. You know Jamaican love the tamarind ball. First time back in the days our grandmother used to make like tamarind ball, and that was very nice. You just mix it tamarind and sugar. So we call it tamarind ball in Jamaica. This tamarind also make good juice also. Tamarind juice. Nothing like nature.